Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view old emails in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to track down important messages from months or even years ago without endless scrolling through your inbox. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders. This initial loading is important because Outlook needs to sync your mailbox before you can search through older messages effectively. Once your email has loaded completely, we'll head to the Folder tab. You'll find this located on the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are positioned. Go ahead and click on Folder. This section contains powerful organizational tools that many people overlook, but it's exactly what we need to access those older emails efficiently. After you've accessed the folder menu, you'll see several tools designed to help you manage and view old emails more effectively. From here, click on New Folder Search. This will open a new search folder window with various preset options. Scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Organizing Email. Within this section, you'll spot an option called Old Mail. Click on it to select it. Next, a customized search folder field will appear on your screen. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what you're looking for. Click on Choose and a smaller window will pop up. Here's where it gets useful. You can set specific criteria for how old the emails you're searching for actually are. Maybe you want emails from 6 months ago, or perhaps you need something from 2 years back. Adjust the time frame according to your needs, then click OK to confirm your selection. For the final step, you'll need to specify which mail account this search index will run on. This is particularly helpful if you manage multiple email accounts within Outlook. Select the appropriate account from the drop-down menu, then click OK to complete the setup. And that's it. Outlook will now create a dedicated folder that filters and displays all your old emails based on the criteria you set. You can access this folder anytime you need to review older correspondence without cluttering your main inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.